Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview tab 12 and let me share with you how to enable deny light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you the customization of this mode and after that much faster access to it by using a shortcut. So let's begin with opening the settings. Here in this left section we have to tap on the display and find the eye comfort. Let's tap on it. So first of all, we have to turn it on before we will be able to customize it. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl and if you really prefer to use your device at night, then this mode is totally for you and your eyes will be relieved for sure. Here you can change the intensity. As you can see, we are set on the warmest option. By going to the left, you can make it cooler, so it's almost invisible. Of course, you can set it just like you want to. I will stick with the warmest option. And here you've got the schedule feature. So you could, right now we've got none option, which simply means that we have to turn on and off this mode manually. We can turn it on at custom time, which simply means that you will pick the start and the end time. You can pick whichever option you want to, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, which simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based. It's up to you, of course, but I prefer this none option. Let me turn it on now. Alright, so this is basically the whole customization of this mode, and right now, as I said, I'll show you much faster access to it. All you have to do is to basically unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, and as you can see here we've got the night light. I have no idea why here we've got the night light and in the settings we've got eye comfort, whatever. So right now it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it. We've got the screen will immediately get back to its normal state, and the same situation if you want to turn it on again. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable deny light or eye comfort mode in your Blackview tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.